In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your Wix mobile menu drop-down. By the end, you'll have a clean, on-brand mobile menu that's easy to navigate and looks great on every screen. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor and switching to mobile view. This is important because the mobile layout is separate from desktop, and what you see here reflects how your visitors will experience the site on their phones. The canvas will adjust to a phone-sized frame, and you'll be able to focus on elements that are specific to mobile. Next, click the menu icon, often called the hamburger menu, to select the mobile menu. If you have multiple menus, make sure you're selecting the one used in your mobile header. When it's selected, you'll see editing options appear, which means you're ready to style it. In the toolbar, click Design and then choose Customize Design. This opens the design panel for your mobile menu, where you can control how it behaves and looks. Keep your brand in mind as you work. Consistency with your logo, colors, and typography helps users instantly recognize they're in the right place. Choose a menu style that fits your site's structure and tone. A list style is straightforward and compact, great for simple sites with only a few pages. A full screen menu creates a focused, immersive experience by taking over the entire screen when opened, which is ideal for portfolios or bold branding. An overlay style slides or fades over the page content, striking a balance between visibility and subtlety. Consider your content volume. More items often benefit from full screen or overlay styles to keep spacing generous and taps accurate. Now adjust colors, fonts, button styles, and hover or tap effects. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for readability, and keep tap targets large enough for thumbs. Choose fonts that match your site's typography, but avoid overly thin or decorative fonts on mobile to maintain clarity at smaller sizes. For buttons and links, set consistent corner radius, borders, and padding to create a cohesive look. When fine-tuning hover effects, remember that on mobile, these translate to tap or active states. Use clear visual feedback like a color shift or underline so users know they're tap registered. As you refine, watch the live preview in the editor to see changes in real time and ensure everything feels intuitive. That's it. You've designed a polished Wix mobile menu drop-down that balances style, usability, and brand consistency.